Hi, I'm Christian, and I lead the Novartis Biome here in Singapore. We are one of many digital innovation hubs across the planet with the sole remit of finding, working with, and co-developing digital health solutions with some of the leading health tech companies on the planet. Some of the things that we look at would be digital therapeutics. We might look at point-of-care diagnostic devices. We might look at AI augmentations to facilitate clinical decision support, and a myriad of other emerging areas which come with this exciting thrust of innovation that's happened in recent years. I'll be moderating the panel on accelerating pharmaceutical agility in the digital age, where I'm really excited to be helping to facilitate some great conversations with experts in the field, from my peers in the pharmaceutical industry to people who've witnessed firsthand transformation in their organizations and are now looking to help other companies do the same. So what does digital transformation entail, and what are some of the things which we're going to be talking about would be as pharmaceutical companies move towards becoming digital entities. So everything from the production of medicine, really, the production of medicine, the delivery of that medicine, the engagement with the right stakeholders in order to make sure that patients in the right regions and with a larger reach basically have access to that medication. These are all probably conversations which will transpire at this panel, and we're also going to be looking at, to that effect, as we move towards digital transformation, what are some of the levers that need to be pulled in order to effect positive change? So whether that be the configuration of the organization itself, how do we structure teams to be more agile? How do we ensure that there is a seamless transition of a digital health product from the research, from the lab, from R&D to commercialization, and finally to the patient? This might be one of those questions that we're going to be asking. We're also going to be looking at what does the talent of tomorrow look like in a pharmaceutical company? Given the advent of digital technology, does that mean digital skill sets, like, for example, user experience or programming or computer science or data science, come to the fore when evaluating candidates for a pharmaceutical role? Or would it be that these are not so important as you think about it, but rather having a localized and contextualized way of teaching your own employees these skill sets within the bounds and the construct of what you are trying to achieve as a pharmaceutical company. And these are all great conversations which we are going to have as we explore the future of tech and the future of talent, specifically within digital transformation and within pharmaceutical companies. What do I interpret? So the 2021 theme of From Factory to Frontline for me is interesting, right? Because in the field of innovation, you tend to take a systematic or holistic view of what needs to change in order to create the outcome of the products that you want to deliver at the end stage. Now, when we look at Factory to Frontline, this entails everything from the production of say, medicine, through to the way in which we market or we push these medications out into a space where the channels and the delivery of different therapies have exploded. How do we make sure that within the bounds of safety, within the bounds of regulation, we are able to deliver that in a way that expands patient reach, in a way that makes sure that medicine is something that becomes increasingly accessible to every single human on this planet. And I think that is extremely important and extremely interesting as we explore From Factory to Frontline. So what I'm hoping to really learn from the other panels and sessions would be topics pertaining to this and actionable ways in which I can contribute to this shift as an industry. And I think there's plenty to learn in that area. So really looking forward to it, and looking forward to seeing you there at the conference and at the Accelerating Digital Pharmaceutical Agility in the Digital Age panel.